time. We're flying out to Mars and not dying. While we're all down here, we're dying. What are we living for? High cards, high crime. We got black, white, red, it's showtime. Did we all forget the slow climb? Only wanting more. What would you tell your fathers and your daughters if the world went rogue, turned into a fire and we all went down, cold to the bone? What would you tell your sisters and your brothers if you died right now? Nothing but your followers, selling your soul for stones. Baby, give me peace, my heart, your heart, together. Baby, give me peace, my heart, your heart, together. Whoa. See you, see me, seeing all of it more clearly. We got one shot to make it and make it grow. If you could see all the hopes and dreams inside of me, you'd know that this is gold. What would you tell your fathers and your daughters if the world went rogue, turned into a fire and all went down, cold to the bone? What would you tell your sisters and your brothers if you died right now? Nothing but your followers, selling your soul for stones. Baby, give me peace, my heart, your heart, together. Baby, give me peace, my heart, your heart, together. Whoa, baby, give me peace, my heart, your heart, together. Baby, give me peace, my heart, your heart, together. Yeah.
Oh, all of these lies that fill up my mind, I can't escape them, I can't escape them. I need new life, a place I can hide, to help me escape them, help me escape the poison inside.
Yeah, I do relate. Things don't go the way you think they should, then you start to lose your faith. Wonder what you'd ever change if you could go back. Caving under pressure, causing questions that you'd never ask. That's a long path down the wrong road, leaving room for the doubts. Feed my soul to the crows. Another lethal dose, get addicted to the pain. We get caught up in the web, get the venom to the brain. Yeah, you ain't good enough, you'll never be. This is why they left. You the fakest of them all, who you living to impress. You don't really have nobody, they don't hear you when you speak. And this happiness is something that you'll never get to reach. Why we do it to ourselves? Maybe we can come together, share our struggles, keep it honest. I just know we can do better. We can listen to each other, take a step outside our minds. We can lift each other up and put an end to the lies. Hold up.
That fill up my mind, I can't escape them, I can't escape them. I need new life, a place I can hide, to help me escape them, help me escape the poison inside.
We make it out like all these other people got it going up. We don't know the half of it, only what they showing us. Then we see the damage that we took when we were growing up and use it as excuses for the image that we won't become. Ay, then we start to believe it, start to back it all up with a lack of achievement. But I know you can beat it, you ain't ever defeated. You just gotta find a problem if you ever wanna treat it. If it's possible for me, then it's possible for you. Ever lie, gon' fall to the light of the truth. I got help in my sight, I got hope through the roof. Let me take a step back, I'ma shoot. This is my mind, my heart. These are my thoughts, I won't let you tear apart. We can take it back, every flame was a spark. And at any given time is the right time to start.
All of these lies that fill up my mind, I can't escape them, I can't escape them. I need new life, a place I can hide, to help me escape them, help me escape the poison inside.
Trigger happy, don't stop. Reckless a fool, it's gonna sound like a pop. Small town, city dreams,